So, faceless AI videos. So you're probably wondering what is faceless AI videos. So let's start so faceless videos is just basically videos that created without a face, like automated videos. And a couple of months ago, I was like figuring out a new project to work on. I'm a programmer, I'm an entrepreneur, and I like building new stuff. And so yeah, I was building apps before, and I was really wanting to automate my marketing for like YouTube Shorts, for TikTok, for different kind of platforms. So I was trying to create a tool for myself to create videos on autopilot. And the first concept, it had like videos which like with my head. So you basically, the app was working like you record your head, and they'll sync audio with my head and like add some images and that kind of stuff. But eventually, that didn't seem like a good idea because it technically was very challenging and didn't work well with anyone. So I switched to this different idea, faceless videos. The faceless videos is basically videos without face, and these videos like this. This is my TikTok channel. Like the videos which are created with my software, which I built in 2 weeks. As you can see, like it's really it does pretty well, like 500 views, 700 views, 400 views. I don't post regularly, but it works, and on TikTok and on YouTube Shorts I have even better results. So like this one, for example, best video here, best TikTok Shorts is like 7.8 thousand views, so it's pretty good, and our like thousand views, 800 views. So I'm experimenting a bit with my app so it's like so videos are more engaging, more interesting, and stuff like this. So yeah, let me show you the app itself. So the app is called Cliplama. It's basically a web app which allows you to create videos like this, like automated faceless videos, just like pictures with text and audio, and pictures with different movement. This is actually the old version of Cliplama here on the website, because today I just launched a new version with like much better animation and stuff. But yeah, basically this is the app. I can go inside so you can see how it works. Yeah, and you can type here anything you'd like I don't know, the history of Zeus, for example, like the Greek, god from a Greek ancient mythology. So they can select language, English, whatever. I have a lot of languages here. They can select voice. Yeah, they can select format, like is it gonna be short or medium. Like short is guaranteed to be less than 1 minute, so it will fit in YouTube Shorts. And if you want a longer, you can select this option, medium, 1-2 minutes. So it's better, for instance, like on TikTok, usually videos which are longer than 1 minute, they work better because TikTok tends to promote them better, and also you can select different like aspect ratio. So like most of my customers, they use portrait, which is like default default aspect ratio for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, but you can also experiment with like landscape as well. And here, yeah, I can enable music generation. It will generate AI music for the video. So why AI music? Because it's unique, no problem with any, copyright issues, and it's like generated too much for the topic of the video. Yeah, and you click this button and that's it. And it's kind of like the app will generate a script, images, animations, and stick this all together, and it's gonna be like a pretty good video. So let's wait a little bit. It's usually pretty fast, like a couple of minutes. Yeah, depending. Yeah, we already see we have a script here. It appears as it generates on the right. Yeah, so you already see some images for video. Like we have 10 parts. So the video is 53.6 seconds. It's gonna be in total. Yeah.
Did you know the king of the
And
gods
it's
had a pretty
ready.
wild origin story? Zeus, the ultimate ruler
Yeah,
of
and you
Olympus,
see
was born to Cronus
it
and
creates all this
feared a prophecy that one of his
the different like animations for us, different transitions, text, yeah, different rotations, zoom in, zoom out, things like this. Yeah, and tells the story pretty good, and it's actually quite engaging videos and with good imagery. And you can, if you have a like a YouTube channel, anything about like mythology, some stories, you can easily generate a lot of videos and publish them in minutes. Yeah, and of course you have ability to edit all of this. You can edit like video effects, you can change like zoom in, zoom out, zoom position, rotation, all this stuff, like, and you see it's already like, it's like things that already in a video they're set here, so you can disable it if you don't like it. You can change the text here of the video, like some specific words. You can change the imagery, you can generate a new image here, you can search like stock image, you can upload your own image here, whatever you like. You can also, yeah, music is still generating, it's a little bit lengthy process, so once it's finished, it will start playing in a video. And text, yeah, you can also change text position, top, bottom, different kind of stuff, text color. You can, currently, as you can see, like the text is changing color. So sometimes it's like white, sometimes it's yellow. You can disable it and it'll be like yellow all the time. You can put it pink, whatever you like. Yeah, pretty like this. Yeah, as I said, music generation is a long. Yeah, regenerate audio is just like a button. Then you like, for instance, if you change the text here, the audio will be different from the text. So if you don't like it, you can regenerate audio. And so the music is ready. You should hear it now.
He then became the king of the gods.
Let's go from the beginning.
Did you know the king of the gods had a pretty wild origin story? Zeus, the ultimate ruler of Olympus, was born to Cronus and Rhea. Cronus feared a prophecy that one of his children would overthrow him, so he swallowed them whole. But Rhea tricked Cronus by hiding baby Zeus and giving her husband a rock.
And you can control music volume. You can remove music completely from a video if you don't like it. You can make it loud. Yeah, we can keep it just like this. And we can export it. Export it just with a click of a button. Yeah, super simple. It just takes like 15 seconds to export all of this. Yeah, so I hope it was pretty much clear what is that does. Yeah, then now you can download it. And we also have an option to publish to TikTok. We also currently developing an option to publish to YouTube. It's in progress. But yeah, publish to TikTok. You can just go here and you can upload as a draft, so you can further edit on a TikTok, or you can just do this. You can schedule it to be published like in the future, or you can just do it right now. We can do like the history of Zeus, public, something like this. Yeah, and click publish, and it in a couple seconds it will be live on TikTok. Yeah, we can go here We can refresh. And yeah, here it is. Here is this video. So yeah, on YouTube, right now you have to download manually here. Yeah, but this is in progress. So yeah, I hope it was helpful overview of the app. But yeah, you're wondering, like, the title of the video was like how I built this in 2 weeks. Yeah, it's a lot of technicality, I think, but if you're interested about it, so I built this app all on my own with my coding skills, using XJS, Remotion, different AI image generation, LLMs for text generation, also different AI tools for generating audio, and then basically when you type here the text, the first thing I do is I generate a script. So I generate like the number of scenes in the video. Yeah, some random number of scenes, and for each scene I have like text. In this scene I have image description for this scene, and this image description is just, I use the description of the image for each scene to generate. I pass it into Stable Diffusion basically to generate like a picture, and then I have a series of pictures with text. I just make audio for this text, I stitch all this together in a video, and I also generate video effects using AI, using LLMs. I have like a predefined set of video effects, and LLM just helps me like to combine them nicely for different scenes, and I add them all together, and yeah, it becomes a video. You actually can see like in AI plus manual mode here. So for instance, this is more like creative mode. They can do like the same input, like the history of Zeus, for example. Start, and here we will see like the scenes with image descriptions, like raw script basically, before like getting to the video itself. So it's generating a little bit. Yeah, and here you can see like scene number 1, text, scene number 2, scene number 3, scene number 4, 5, 8 scenes. 8 scenes with image prompts. You can change this image prompt, you can put your own. If you don't like it, you can delete a scene here, like for instance, I don't like this scene, I can delete it. Okay, I don't like this image prompt, I can delete it. I can create like a new prompt on my own, or I can ask AI to help me to generate some image prompt here. Yeah, you know, much kind of bigger prompt. Okay, we can go with that. Yeah, and we can generate from here, from this like a little variation of our own. A little more control, you know, like compared to the first mode. Yeah, let's see how it's gonna look like. But I think like, yeah, it's gonna be basically, you see this, like this is in this first scene the image was changed. Yeah, the description was changed, but yeah, I mean it's still gonna look quite good, I suppose. And images, it's actually the first one, this one. Sorry, it's because like these images are not generated like at the same time, so they updated.
Imagine ruling over gods and humans alike. That's Zeus for you. Zeus, the king of the gods, reigns supreme in Greek mythology. Born to Cronus and Rhea, he had quite an adventurous start. Cronus, afraid of being overthrown by his own children, swallowed them at birth. But Zeus, saved by his mother, was hidden away and raised in secret. Grown and powerful, Zeus returned to challenge Cronus and free his siblings. He then drew lots with his brothers to divide the world. Poseidon got the seas, Hades the underworld, and Zeus the sky. Imagine ruling.
Yeah, so it's pretty good. I mean, yeah, you can, and like the third mod, you can actually, like create completely from scratch. I mean, I'm not a fan of this mod because you need to type everything that you're on your own. Like, I don't know, the first scene, like the Zeus on the mountain doing something. Yeah, I'm very bad at that, so I do the AI tooling for this, But yeah, as long as you type enough text, you can, the generate button becomes active and you can click on it. Yep, and it will fill the image here, the image prompt. Yeah, but you have to, this is basically very, very, very manual mode, and you have to do all the stuff on your own. Yeah, and this video is already very long, so thank you for watching. And yeah, I'm working hard on improving this platform, Cliplama, making this more automated, making videos better, making YouTube integration so you can post directly and schedule videos to be posted on TikTok, on Instagram, YouTube, and any other platform, and improving the platform as well. And yeah, if you're interested in a more about a business, how it's going, how I'm working, how I grow in it, marketing, or more in developer stuff, how I build this app, which technology did I use, how I managed to build it in 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm happy to dive more into this. But yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.